Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that core issues will remain non-negotiable even as efforts continue to restore peace and normalcy in the state. The Chief Minister made the statement during the launching of Chief Minister's coaching scheme for entrance examination to professional courses, which is a major initiative that aims to enhance educational opportunities for students in the state. This scheme will provide intensive coaching for competitive exams like JEE and NEET, preparing students for entry into national-level professional courses. The launch event was held at the CM Secretariat in Imphal, attended by Education Minister Thongnaucham Basantakumar, Health Minister Sapam Ranjan, Works Minister Govindas Kanthosam and Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, including officials of Education Department and other dignitaries. The Chief Minister further expressed hopeful that the scheme's transformative impact will empower students to achieve their educational and professional goals on a national platform. He emphasized government's dedication to supporting young talent, aiming to make higher education in professional fields more accessible and to inspire a new generation of achievers in Manipur.
Education fajna leirabo kangbo knowledge fajna leirabo kangbo mi khanani nattaba thabuk tawningo pamdaba thabuk tawningo akoi Indian constitution gi manungdani ekhoina ngasi whatever ekhoina ngasi tawriba punamoks aduna India ki oneness unity madugi constitution na kari ekhoida piriba hak si mayam si fajna ekoi nainaraga ekhoina tawda thabuk singa tawragadi khana chaina busu leiroi aduna ekoi sigi ngasi khalli bisasing Sigi coaching si lawyer madung da noi March April swada noi examination nama laini noi pass tawna bhona joko pass tawr ba kangbo dugi sang da ba khorsa parsa puna mak state government na puthok doi aduga peace langa bani haidina we cannot compromise our core issues papa nei loi pusalaga inclusive na loi thamam bai di bire noi government di madum ekoi ngamoi madu ekoi gi missing si gi distinguish ko se koi protector on the way ekoi indigenous people singi the old settlers ingi madugi damtani koina ngasi kidang wa minnarise ngasi gi generation later di tungi generation adun amakhangna where Indians cow always